Hello everyone, we are delighted to announce the Ahrefs integration into JetOctopus, and right now I'm going to tell you the details how to set up and how to work with it. So right now you will be able to add additional dataset into JetOctopus platform, so the backlinks dataset, and you will be able to analyze the pages with the highest number of backlinks, with the lowest number of backlinks. Push the button Grant Access to Ahrefs. Then you push Allow. And you are getting this data. The key to your API is saved. And right now, I would like to stress your attention on load limit line. What that means? That means that here you set up the maximum amount of pages to load by a website. Why we need this? Because in the minimal package of Ahrefs, there are 50,000 rows monthly. So by setting up this load limit, you pick up the maximum number of rows from Ahrefs by each website, which you will be analyzing in JetOctopus, and you will want to integrate Ahrefs data too. So for example, if there are 5 websites, you need to put 10,000 load limit here. So to be able to get 10,000 rows from Ahrefs for each website you have. Right now, you should write down the URL of the website because by default, we don't get the data from Ahrefs until you write down the URL of the website, which data you want to integrate. So there are 653 pages with information about external backlinks. So we see that we are not in the limit, and there is a lot of room within the limit. So we have the data here. You can delete and revoke the access anytime you want to. So just deleting the website and pushing the button revoke the access. But we will not do it right now. I will show you how to use new backlinks dataset in JetOctopus platform. We've integrated into this project. We go to the data table pages. We add Ahrefs backlinks dataset. And here we are getting additional columns. And we can add additional information from Ahrefs right now. Voila! And we see here the Ahrefs rank, number of backlinks, redirects, do follow, no follow, sponsored, etc. So I hope you like this update. Thank you for your attention, and if there are any questions, you know where to ask. Please visit our online chat, and we are always really helping.